My plate.
Your plate.
My plate.
Yeah, come. What is this? Eh, this is your plate now.
My plate.
You don't want this one again? What do you want to eat? Say what you want now. What do you want? What? Which one? Golden Mo. Hi, my name is Emmanuella and you're welcome to my channel, YoungNaijaMum. On here I talk about my faith, my family, my lifestyle as a young married lady living in Lagos, Nigeria. If you are new here, please click the red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know the next time I put up a video. Today, I'll be showing you how I feed my toddler in a day. If you've watched my previous video on how I weaned my co-sleeping baby, the link of which I'll be dropping up for you here, if you have not seen it before, you will see that my toddler is one that is actually very open to eating adult food. And so through the rest of this video, you'll be seeing that I actually have a hassle-free time preparing the meals for my toddler. I'll be inserting some of the pictures of the meals that my toddler takes in the day as the video goes. My toddler regularly starts his day off by taking something light. Most of the time, I give him the liberty to ask for what he will actually like to have for the first thing in the morning. As he wakes up in the morning, he's been able to personalize his things, and so he has specifically for the things that will be interested in eating. He's been able to personalize his items, and this is the way I get to know that he's hungry. He asks specifically for his plates, and once he does that, I give him the liberty of choosing the exact meal he'll be having first thing before the main breakfast. Usually in the morning, he has to take tea or golden morn and sometimes oats. On rare occasions, he will take cornflakes. Or if you have leftover meals from the night before, you could have rice or beans first thing in the morning. After which, I'll pack his meal for the day, which he will be taken to school. In packing his meal for the day, he will take his main meal at school around 12, because by 12 they will have their break, and so he'll be able to take his main meal for the day. And this main meal comprises of whatever main meal we will be taking as breakfast for that day. This could range from beans and plantain, or beans and bread, or rice, jollof rice or white rice, macaroni, yam and egg, or potato and egg, whatsoever meal I'm preparing for the day. I also work with a timetable so that I don't have to think of what to cook the next day. So I do my meal prep a night before the day the meal will be had. Also in school, I expect that there will become a time that they will have their snacks, and so I pack him snacks of juice like Ribena or Freshio, as well as biscuits or whatever snacks we have available. Immediately from school, when he goes to a home crèche where he's fed his lunch. His lunch is usually made up of either pap or custard or oats. Sometimes I also ride golden one. So this I'll pack in a separate bag that goes to crèche, and so you'll be able to have that for lunch immediately it comes from school. Pre-dinner, he will also have those around evening before I get to pick him up from crèche. And then when he gets home at night, he takes whatsoever we are eating for dinner for that night. Sometimes our dinner is swallow, other times he is too sleepy and tired to have dinner by the time we get home. This is how my toddler goes about his day, having good and healthy meal options to sustain him. Before he goes to sleep, I make sure he drinks as much water as he will take. I also make sure to take him to the restroom to pee, so that we'll have reduced bathroom visits during the night. If you have watched these videos thus far, I want to believe you've learned a thing or two from it. And if it's something that you like to implement in feeding your toddler, please feel free to comment that below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.